Welcome. My name is Peter Strong. I'm a professional mindfulness-based psychotherapist. I provide online therapy via Skype for the treatment of anxiety and depression, and also for help with OCD, obsessive-compulsive disorder. So if you are interested in talking to an online therapist, to get the help that you need to overcome your specific problems with obsessive-compulsive thoughts or memories or images, then please contact me and tell me more about yourself and the struggles that you are dealing with, and feel free to ask any questions you may have about online therapy and specifically online mindfulness therapy. This approach is extremely effective for working with anxiety disorders like OCD, as well as depression, and any other problem that's caused by habitual reactive thinking, rumination, or negative thoughts that keep reoccurring over time. If you're struggling with intrusive thoughts, then mindfulness training is one of the best ways of dealing with intrusive thoughts, and also traumatic images as well, which can also occur over and over again until they are healed. So the primary focus of mindfulness therapy is about healing. It's about changing this underlying habitual reactivity that is causing the OCD. It's very important that you learn to change the way that you relate to your thoughts and emotions. The typical problem that I encounter is that people become very identified with the underlying emotions that fuel the OCD, reactive thinking, or they become identified with self-limiting beliefs or behaviors. We have to change our relationship to these impulses in the mind so that they do not control us. We have to change our relationship to one in which we are independent. We are able to maintain our position as an objective observer of thoughts and emotions. This is a principal feature of mindfulness therapy. This is what I will be teaching you. Thoughts and emotions themselves are not the problem. The real problem is reactive identification, where we simply become those thoughts or emotions, where we become overwhelmed by those thoughts or emotions, where we become prisoners to our obsessive thinking. So this can be changed by developing the objective consciousness that's characteristic of mindfulness training. You cannot overcome obsessive or intrusive thoughts by willpower alone. You have to basically change your relationship so that you are not compelled to identify or react to those emotions and thoughts. So if you'd like to learn more about the mindfulness therapy approach to working with OCD and other emotional problems like anxiety and depression, then please contact me and we can schedule a therapy session over Skype. Skype therapy is very effective. It's very important that you use Skype or a similar video platform so you can see each other But if you can see each other, then there's no difference in the effectiveness of psychotherapy, whether it's delivered online or in person. You must be able to see each other. That's the key factor. So please contact me if you'd like to learn more about working with an online psychotherapist like myself, who specializes in the treatment of anxiety and depression and OCD using the techniques of mindfulness therapy. Thank you.